Welcome to Hummy's Dreamland, where dreams begin.
The Cozy Campfire Story Night. Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, the sun dipped gently behind the tall trees, casting soft golden rays across the woodland floor. As the sky turned a deep shade of blue, tiny stars began to twinkle like diamonds high above. It was the perfect evening for a cozy gathering, and a group of very special friends was getting ready for a night beneath the stars. In a little clearing, a cheerful rabbit named Ruby hopped excitedly. She was lighting a small campfire, carefully placing twigs and dry leaves, until the flames began to dance and crackle. The warm glow of the fire cast a comforting light, warding off the evening chill. Ruby had invited her dear friends, Sophie the wise old owl, Benny the playful squirrel, and Timmy the cuddly hedgehog, for a night of stories and laughter. As the fire crackled softly, the friends settled down on plush moss and warm blankets. The air was filled with the sweet fragrance of pine and fresh earth, making everything feel perfectly cozy. Ruby clapped her little paws together. "Okay, everyone, let's share our favorite stories tonight." Sophie the owl, perched on a low branch, blinked her big, wise eyes. "I think I'll go first," she said, her voice warm and soothing, like a gentle breeze. She began her tale of a curious little star who wanted to visit the earth. Once, there was a bright star named Sparkle. Every night, she watched the world beneath her and longed to see what it was like to twirl in the grass and dance with the flowers. So, one dreamy night, she let her sparkle twinkle brighter and brighter, until she floated down, shining like the moon. Everyone welcomed her with open arms, the butterflies, the rabbits, and even the shy little flowers. They all danced together until the dawn, and Sparkle realized that sharing joy made the world feel magical. Ruby tilted her head, a smile shining on her face. What a lovely story. It reminds me that sharing happiness is what brings us together, just like we are right now. Next was Benny the squirrel, who was already buzzing with excitement. He scampered around, fluffing his little tail. "Mine is about the great acorn hunt," he declared. "It happened last autumn when I, Benny, found the biggest acorn in the whole forest. It was shiny and round, and I wanted to keep it all to myself. But when I saw my friends looking sad that they couldn't find any acorns, I felt a little tug at my heart. Instead of hiding my treasure, I called them over and said, 'Let's share this acorn together.' We made a feast. We turned it into acorn pie, and we all had the best day ever." Everyone giggled at the thought of Benny, surrounded by smiling friends, with acorn pie as a delicious reward. Next was Timmy the hedgehog. Snuggling deeper into his cozy blanket, he lifted his little face and said, "I have a story about a sleepy cloud. You see, there once was a fluffy cloud named Cuddles. Cuddles loved to float through the sky and watch over the world. One day, Cuddles noticed a little boy who looked sad as he sat alone. So, Cuddles decided to make a cozy shape, like a big, fluffy chair, just for him. When the boy saw it, he giggled and sat on the cloud. Cuddles then filled the sky with colorful rainbows and magical sunshine, making the boy smile. That day, Cuddles learned that being kind made him feel bright too." Ruby smiled softly. "That's such a sweet story, Timmy. It shows how sharing kindness can light up even the dullest days." The friends snuggled closer to the fire. The night deepened, and the stars began to shimmer even more brightly. The gentle crackle of the campfire wrapped around them like a blanket. Then Ruby decided to share her own favorite story. I have one about a tiny seed. Once upon a time, there was a little seed that wanted to grow big and strong, but was afraid of what lay ahead. The seed looked around and saw lush green trees and blooming flowers. It worried it wouldn't make it. But as time went on, the sun warmed the soil, and the gentle rain fell. The seed found the courage to shoot up into the world. It became a beautiful flower that brought joy to everyone who passed by. The flower learned that sometimes we need to trust the journey and embrace the warmth of friendship and support. "What a beautiful lesson, Ruby," said Sophie, her voice as comforting as a warm breeze. "It reminds us how much we can grow when we have friends by our side." The night went on as they shared more little tales, each one filled with giggles, warmth, and the kind of laughter that felt like a soft hug. Each story connected them, winding their hearts together like vines, strong yet gentle. As the fire burned low, the sky twinkled with millions of stars, each one watching over them like tiny guardians. The friends looked up, feeling cozy and loved. They snuggled into their blankets closer, the magic of their friendship wrapping around them. The soothing sounds of the forest, the whispering wind, the gentle rustle of leaves, and the distant sounds of crickets made them feel at peace. Several yawns erupted, and Ruby smiled, knowing it was time for sleepy goodbyes. Thank you all for sharing stories tonight. They were as warm as the fire. Let's remember the importance of friendship and how sharing stories brings us closer. One by one, they snuggled in closer together, their hearts filled with warmth and happiness. As they closed their eyes, the stars sang a lullaby, wrapping the forest in a gentle hush. And soon, with the cool night breeze and the dancing flicker of the fire, the woodland friends drifted off to sleep, their dreams filled with the joys of stories shared, laughter, and the enduring bond of friendship. And so, under a blanket of glowing stars, they all slept soundly, embracing the warmth of each other's hearts, knowing there would always be more stories to share.
Good night. See you in the next bedtime story.